In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap and what to look out for, so your money lands in the right wallet without any surprises. Start on your Wise account and choose the currency you want to send from. This is the balance you'll use for the transfer. If you hold more than one balance, pick the one that makes the most sense for you. Choosing the correct source currency helps Wise show you the right conversion details and any fees up front. Next, click Send. This opens Wise's transfer flow. Here, Wise will display the conversion rate and a clear breakdown of fees as you proceed, so you know how much will arrive on the other side. When prompted to choose the recipient currency, select Philippine pesos. Setting the recipient currency to PHP ensures the money is delivered correctly into the GCash wallet, which operates in pesos. Wise will handle the conversion automatically at the rate shown on screen. Now, click Add Recipient. You're creating the destination for this transfer. When the recipient type options appear, select Enter Bank Details. This is how Wise collects the specific information it needs to route the money. From the available options, choose e-wallet. This tells Wise you're sending to a mobile wallet instead of a traditional bank account. Then, select GCash as the e-wallet provider. Picking GCash here ensures Wise formats the transfer for that platform. Enter the recipient's GCash mobile number carefully, exactly as it's registered on GCash. Avoid spaces or extra characters, and make sure the digits are correct. A single typo can prevent the funds from arriving, so it's worth double-checking before you move on. When you're confident the number is accurate, click Continue. You'll now see a summary screen. Take a moment to review all the details: the sending currency you chose at the start, the recipient currency set to Philippine pesos, the GCash wallet number, the exchange rate, the fee, and the estimated arrival time. Everything should match your intentions. If anything looks off, this is the best time to correct it. When everything looks good, click Confirm and Send. Wise will begin processing your transfer right away. In many cases, e-wallet transfers complete quickly, but timing can vary based on system checks and recipient availability. You'll see status updates in your Wise activity, and the recipient can check their GCash balance for the incoming funds. And there you go. That's all you need to transfer money from Wise to GCash smoothly and with confidence.